Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some goodies that I found from the folks over at Paintsomeway. So I have a couple of kits to show you, as you can see, but the first thing I wanted to show you was this portfolio book. Now, I keep most of my finished paintings in portfolios, and before I've always gotten black, but I've been looking at these with the colors and really wanted to try them. Let me see if I can get this out of the plastic without making too much noise. Probably not, so 1 second. So here you go. It is just a portfolio book with all of these little pages that you slip sheets of paper into, or you can slip your diamond paintings in. I actually put all of my finished diamond paintings on like a piece of cardstock just to keep them from moving around, because I tend to cut all the extras off of mine. So if you just take like a 30 by 30 or 30 by 40, it'll fit pretty well in here just as is. But I tend to cut off all the extras around my canvas, so I just have the drills. And I put them on a piece of black cardstock just because it makes it look a little nicer, like it's an actual painting. And I keep a lot of mine in my portfolio. So I have, I think, at last count, I have 4 portfolios that are this size, so this will be number 5. And I typically go for black, but I saw some of these colors and I couldn't resist seeing what they look like. So yeah, it's pretty simple, it's just a portfolio book, but it's nice to have a place to put my finished diamond paintings, because it is nice to pull them out and just kind of flip back through them and see all of the things that I've done. So this one is $13.99, and I will stick a link down below. They do have it in other colors besides the pink, but I'm apparently in a pink phase right now, so pink is what I got. I think you can get blue and yellow and green and maybe something else. It'd be nice if they had a purple. Okay, so there's the portfolio book, and then I have 2 canvases to show you, so let's dig into those. So this first one is, I'm gonna rip the plastic getting it out here. All right, here we go. Now this is, I usually get 30 by 30s. This is a 30 by 40, so it's a little bit bigger. Oh my, this canvas is so nice and smooth to roll up. Look at how tight that rolls. Whew, like that. All right, this is a square kit, as you can see. Ooh, the drills come in baggies, so if you work from baggies, you're all set. Standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen, and here is the pretty little canvas. Look at these, just this cute little succulents in this striped bucket. I just thought this was a really cute kind of simple painting. Would be nice to hang up in your house, in a bathroom, in an entryway, something like that. Just, you know, a nice little like floral looking painting. So we have 22 colors. It does have the DMC codes, and we do have schematic on both sides. It is a 30 by 40, like I said, it is a square. So it does have a lot of white background, but it is that eye symbol. And you could, even if you wanted, you know, cut some of this off. I wonder what it would be like to just kind of cut around and then put it on cardstock like I was saying I normally do, and then frame it and like let it be kind of a like that shadow box effect almost. That might be interesting. I'll have to think about that and see if that's something I want to do. Okay, so this is 30 by 40, so let's measure. So it is 25 by 35, and like I said, we have 22 colors. There is obviously going to be a lot of multi-placing in the background here. There's a little bit of confetti in the succulents themselves and everything, but I don't think it's terrible. Don't think I'd need a light pad for it. All right, let me open the drills and let's see what we get. Okay, so we get 2 big bags of white. Not a big surprise given all of the white in the background, so there's that. Then we get some dark green, some lighter like sage green, some kind of mocha colored, some yellow, some light turquoise, some kind of a light orange, and then we get a light yellow, a turquoise, a dark green, a very light green, a hunter green, a spring green, and then we get a light blue, a very kind of light periwinkle blue. We get, these are actually two different shades of blue, but they're very close. This one's slightly darker. And then we get kind of that, I don't know, salmony, but with a brownish tinge. Ooh, a very bright orange, a bright green, and then we get two shades of gray, a light gray and a darker gray. So yeah, there's all the colors. And this one was $6.99. And again, I'll stick that link down below. Let me put all these drills away and we'll look at my last canvas. Be right back. And here we are with our last canvas. Ooh, this canvas is a little bit stiffer than the others to roll up, but it's super pretty. So let me get going here. All right, so a standard toolkit, boat plate of wax pink pen, and you can see is a special drill kit with all our lovely rhinestones. This is a full, what they call a full crystal kit. And here we go. It's just these very pretty flowers. So, in looking at this, there is going to be quite a bit of confetti. So if confetti is not your thing, don't get this one. So it's 30 by 40. We've got 25 colors and a schematic on both sides. Let's measure this and see. It is almost 25 by almost 35. Just a couple of millimeters under both of those measurements. And yeah, it's super pretty. I can't wait to see what this looks like with all the crystals. It is nice and sticky, but yeah, definitely gonna be lots of confetti. So let's dig into our drills. We do have actual DMC codes, so that will be nice. Let me pull out the drills from the package and I'll be right back. All right, lots of pretty colors in this one, so let's get looking. This very pretty bright turquoise, and then we get two different shades of purple. There's a darker purple and then a lighter purple. Then we get a very dark purple and kind of a rosy pink. And then we have all of these colors. Look at this. So there's a pink, and then a light pink, and then a very light pink. Those are all three of those are different shades of pink. And then a very, very pale pink. Two different shades of green. We've got just like a regular green and then a light green, followed by kind of a dark yellow and then a very pale yellow. We've got some smoke colored ones. Then we've got another kind of pretty berry pink, a very light pale turquoise green. We've got, let me get these untangled here. We've got an orange, a pale yellow, another very pale pink, a light purple, a light turquoise, and then a very pale turquoise, a very light green, a purple, and then some clear. Yeah, lots of colors, 25 colors in this one, which is a lot, but I think it will be very, very pretty when finished. And this one is also $6.99. So let me get the drills back in the package and then we'll be right back for the recap. All right, so just to recap, we've got our portfolio here. We've got our very pretty full crystal flower drills, canvas, and then we have got our succulent square canvas here. So again, I will put links in the description box down below so that you can check these out or anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, Thanks so much for watching.